Here we go. We got take one. Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road. I'm coming to you with a new episode of Ride This Road. Today we're going to start off at the southern end of the Henry Hudson Drive. Let me try that again. Okay, take two. Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road, coming to you with a new episode of Ride This Road. Today we're at the southern end, heading north on the Henry Hudson Drive over in New Jersey. And we're right here at the head of the opening, and we're gonna head all the way up that way, where you're gonna see a lot of scenic routes. You're gonna see some nice overlooks, a lot of bicyclists out here, joggers. Fuck. All right, let's try this again. All right, take three. Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road. Today we are in New Jersey at the Henry Hudson Drive. Wow, what are these fucking cars coming through here? Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road. I'm in New Jersey right now and coming to you with a new episode of Ride This Road. So I'm at the opening at actually the southern end of the Henry Hudson Drive, and we're gonna head north this way, up that way, and we're gonna see some nice overlook over the Hudson. Nice little scenic road. You'll see a lot of little things going on, and maybe we'll stop at a few little spots down the way before we get to the upper end on the north side. It's only I think it's like 8 miles, you know, and it's a very, very slow drive or ride going up, because there's a lot of joggers here, there is bicyclists here, and you just need, you know, it's a safety thing, so you must keep your speed down. There is no speeding through here. It's a very slow ride, but it's a beautiful ride. So let me catch you on the road. Unfortunately, the road has a closure, so we're gonna have to go back. Geez, just 2 weeks ago, some friends of mine riding up here said it was fully open all the way up to the north side. I don't understand this shit.